Liquid gold, freshly pressed from our finest extra virgin olive oil.
With ideal climate and expert care, this plantation produces a high annual yield of premium quality coconuts.
Before the sun fully rises, the journey of the finest olive oil begins here, in the quiet field.
These olives, harvested at perfect ripeness, now arrive at the mill, where their transformation into premium olive oil will begin.
Carefully unloaded and prepared, the olives now begin their journey through the state-of-the-art production line.
Olive is treated with respect, beginning its transformation from fruit to pure extra virgin olive oil. From the fields to the factory, every step is handled with care and precision, preserving the quality that makes this olive oil truly special. From the fields to the factory, every step is handled with care and precision, preserving the quality that makes this olive oil truly special.
How does the consistency look down there?
It's perfect. We can maintain this speed.
This fragrant green paste holds the essence of the olives, for the first step toward creating pure, high.
Check the moisture levels on tank 3. Adjusting the flow rate now.
The malaxed paste now moves to the heart of the production line, where the valuable oil will be separated from the solids and water.
It's perfect. Look at the clarity of the oil.
The parameters are holding steady.
Here it is, the pure extra virgin olive oil, carefully extracted and ready for further refinement into its final bottled form.
The output looks crystal clear.
And the gauge confirms optimal flow. We're maintaining standards.
Once filtered, the pure olive oil rests in stainless steel tanks, protected from light and air, waiting for final quality approval.
The journey now enters its final phase as our pure olive oil prepares to be filled into premium glass bottles.
The alignment is precise, premium quality confirmed.
Agreed. The golden green contents really shine now.
From raw olives to beautifully labeled bottles, every step has been executed with precision and care to deliver the finest extra virgin olive oil. Each box is securely sealed to ensure the olive oil reaches customers in perfect condition, maintaining its freshness and quality. Before leaving the facility, every pallet undergoes final inspection to ensure only the highest quality olive oil reaches our customers.
The journey of our olive oil continues as these pallets are loaded onto trucks, beginning their path from the mill to dining tables everywhere.
We did it. The harvest is complete. Safe travels.
This video is for educational purposes, creating using AI tools like Google View 3 and Group AI with editing in CapCut. Information is from public sources. Visual are AI generated and enhanced from storytelling, not real factory footage. All content is original and follows YouTube monetization policies.